What's up? What's up? What's up, you guys? What's up? Hey, how you guys? What's going on? How you guys doing? I know I be over the top with the intro, right? I know I be doing that on purpose, y'all, because I love y'all so much. Thank you so much again. Hey, y'all. Hey, what's going on? It's your skinny boy Randy. What's up? I love you guys so much. How you doing today? Hi, you guys. Thank you so much for being here. You know, I said that about a million times because I mean it. When it just comes out, thank you so much for being here. I love you guys. Thank you. Welcome to Gardening with Skinny Boy Randy. How you guys doing today? What's up? What's up? What's up? You guys, I got my old school cap to the side with the tag on the side. Yeah, how y'all doing today? I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for being here. How you doing today? Nobody told you they love you today. I do. I love you. And thank you so much for being here. You could be anywhere else in the gardening universe, but you choose to spend a little time with your skinny boy Randy. And I love you and I appreciate you just for that. If nothing else, I appreciate you just for being here. How you guys doing? I love you. I pray that you're having a great, growing, blessed, and prosperous day. If you're new to my channel, welcome to Gardening with Skinny Boy Randy, where beginners and experts are always welcome. We love you guys. Okay, we love you. Thank you so much for being here. You are always welcome. Okay, I'm not gonna forget the preliminaries. The preliminaries. Yes, go over to my Facebook channel, Facebook group, Facebook page. What is it called? YouTube is the channel, Facebook is the page. Okay, yeah, Facebook page. Yeah, go over there to the Facebook page, y'all. Okay, because I ain't never went to Facebook, YouTube school. I ain't never went to that school. So go on over to my Facebook page and check out Gardening with Skinny Boy Randy. Beginners and experts are always welcome. If I can't answer a question right here, you can go over there and I guarantee you'll get an answer, or somebody's going to tell you something that they know. Okay, because we have a lot of opinions over there and everybody has something to offer to you. I love you. Thank you so much for being here. Don't forget, if you're new to my channel, click like and subscribe. I hope everybody in here gonna click like and subscribe now. I hope y'all gonna click like and subscribe. I'll wait. I waited. How you doing? Click the thumbs up, thumbs down, just at the two middle fingers. Okay, I love you guys. Also, click the bell. You get a notification every time I make a video. Happy October the 1st, you guys. We're in fall. Zone 7, Richmond, Virginia. That's where I am. We're in the fall season, and the leaves are just falling all over my garden, but that's okay, because they're going to act as a mulch, okay, because I ain't got no money to be going out here buying no expensive mulch. I ain't got no money. So we're going to let the leaves keep on falling into the garden, and we're growing all types of things. I'm going to show you a few things, but I just wanted to make this video on October the 1st. The first video of October, you guys. Yes, I didn't make a lot of videos in September because I was on my birthday excursion. Yes, so from now on, September is going to be my slow month. And it was slow, but you know, it was my birthday. From the 1st of September all the way to the end of September, I had a great September. Yes, one of the greatest Septembers in my entire life, you guys. Thank you so much. Thank you for everybody who hosted me in California, Valerie and Lauren and everybody. And then my cousin in Detroit, Michigan. Thank you guys for hosting us. Albert and Diane Smith. Thank you guys so much. Thank you to the Miami Hotel. Thank you to the everywhere we went to. Okay, thank you, Lord, just for being alive. Okay, if you're alive and you're able to look at this video, you ought to raise your hands and tell whoever you worship, hallelujah. Okay, and tell them thank you just for being here to be able to watch this silly bill on gardening. Okay, I love you guys. Thank you so much for being here. Okay, you guys, we're gonna talk about what to do in October. I know you're like this. Okay, it's October. What are we gonna do? And if I sound like a broken record to some of you, somebody's here for the first time, you guys. They might not have heard everything, and some people don't go back and look at old videos. Okay, so I'm gonna be doing some other videos, the same thing that I've done before, but I'm just gonna update it. And things change. Your garden is always changing. You know, so a video I might have made a year ago, I may have a different opinion on what to use or how to use it, because you learn from what you grow. Okay. So, ooh, that was a triple. Okay, you heard that? Okay. Oh, okay. We are not in the choir today. Okay. But anyway, I love y'all. Thank y'all so much for being here. I know I'm silly and I act crazy, but I love you and I love gardening. I'm sitting out here on the porch. The sun is about to probably set in about 2 hours. No, maybe about 1 hour. So it's coming down. So that's why it's shining on one side of me, y'all. But anyway, I know y'all ain't come over here to look at my face. Y'all came up here to learn about gardening. And I did the same thing. Beginners and experts are welcome. I'm not a beginner and I'm not a professional. I'm just that person that comes to you on YouTube and say, we can do it together. We make it work. Some things will grow. Some will. Some won't. Some do. Some don't. Hey. Okay, I'm going to stop acting silly. All right, y'all. Get your herbs in the ground. Yes. For the herb garden. We're gonna start an herb garden. I want you to watch that video that's coming out within a day or two. Your herbs, get your dill and your parsleys and your all your different herbs that you like. Use what you're gonna grow what you're gonna eat, you guys. Okay, I'm gonna say that. Grow what you're gonna eat now. All right, don't grow nothing just to throw away, because some things you'll grow just to see how pretty it looks, and you're not gonna eat it or not. You don't have nobody to give it to. So grow what you're gonna eat. Get your herb garden growing in October. That's a great thing to start with. If you want to grow inside, I know it's about to be winter time. Well, we're just getting into fall. Excuse me, fall. Lord, thank you for the fall, because sometimes it jumps straight from summer to winter, it feels like, but we're having a fall this year. So in your fall garden, start your herbs inside if you want to start your herbs. We're going to do a video on the herb starter. Today I'm going to start some carrots in some containers. Yes, keep on doing your container gardening, because it's October and the first frost is not far away here in Zone 7, maybe a month away. So we have like 4 weeks to get our stuff together. So what I'm going to show you today is starting some carrots. Also, just showing you what's going on the Skinny Boy Farms. Okay, so let's start off with just showing you what's going on the Skinny Boy Farms. Yes, you guys, this is some of the lettuce coming up, and we're going to separate this. Can you guys see it? Yeah, and everything here is only 30 days old. So we have some spinach, and yeah, I've shown you this before, but somebody's never seen it. These are turnips. Yeah, you guys. So just want to give you an idea. Look at these okra growing in a container on the patio. We have some jalapeno peppers down here. I hope I'm getting everything, you guys. I'm using a new camera. We have some more bell peppers growing in our buckets. And actually, this is where we're going to plant our carrots. Okay? Right here in this container. Now, when you go to plant carrots, you want to make sure that your ground is soft and moist, free up a lot of heavy rocks or anything like that. Now, I grew carrots before. If you go back and look at my video and just type in carrots in the search bar, I've grown carrots before in buckets and they came out great. So now I know how to do it a little better. Now, this is some excellent soil in here, okay? I don't know how much you can see. Okay, let me till it over like that. Okay, you guys, if you can take your finger, just stick down in the soil, and it just goes straight through. Another test, I like to take my garden tool, and if I can just poke it down in there like that, and look, it went all the way down. Yeah, if I can just look all the way down, that means that this soil is nice and loose. Perfect. You see how that? I'm using a different camera, y'all, so we're gonna see how this works today. You see how this made a hole down in there? Nice and easy. So, in an effort to make this work, y'all know I have to make sure y'all see everything. I gotta have my camera right. Y'all know I do this by myself. So, let me pull this down. Can you see me now? Oh, okay, here we go. But what I did was, I took my garden hoe. Yeah. And I just stuck it down in here just to see how soft the soil is. Yes, very soft, loose soil. See that? Very soft and loose. And yes, there's a pepper plant in here, but I'm not hurting it. Very soft and loose. Unless you're saving your pepper plants for next year, you're okay. So I'm just going to stir this up a little bit, just to loosen up the top part. Just like that. Just to loosen it up a little bit. Those little roots in there are fine. Carrots are very Easy to get along with. And so I'm going to take my carrot seeds. We're going to do these ox hearts in here. And this is from the Baker Creek collection. So I'm going to take my seeds. You know, I got to show you what they look like. Let me see them. Very, very tiny. And I'm not going to do the whole overplant on my carrots because most of the time each one of them will come up. So I'm just going to take my time. Can I get this over here? All right. Let me move you down a little bit. There we go. I'm just going to take my time and take maybe 3 or 4 and put. Instead of just taking like a whole bunch and sprinkling, because it's a lot of thinning when it comes to carrots. Because they will bloom out. Yeah. And I know it looks like I'm sprinkling a lot, but I'm not. Because at first I was sprinkling a whole lot. And you don't have to. Because you don't want to have to clean, thin all those carrots out. And if you get a few, that's okay. Because we're not Roger the Rabbit and we're not Bugs Bunny, okay? So we don't need all that many carrots over here in this household. So what I'm going to do, I'm not even going to cover them with other soil. I'm just going to take my hand and slightly make a circle around my bucket. Just like that. Just make a circle around your bucket. And it's pretty much covering everything. And these will come up by the time my pepper plant is done. If I decide to save it, I will. If not, I won't. And I'll be able to just pull it up and I could just leave it in there and the carrots will grow around it. So that's all you do for your carrots, you guys. That's all you do. You don't want to plant them very deep. They're very small seeds, so plant them very, very close to the top and just sprinkle with soil. And it may take 2 to 3 weeks. They're very slow to grow. Very slow to grow. We're not going to see these carrots for a long time, okay? So what I'm going to do now is just take my water hose. And give it a shower. And I know some of the seeds may have moved, but that's okay. The strong will survive. Okay, you guys. So I just wanted to give you another tip on what you can grow in October. I love you guys. Thank you so much for being here. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Leave a thumbs up, thumbs out. It's your Skinny Boy Randy. Yes, you guys, I got my head turned to the back like an old Cadillac. Okay, I love you guys. Live, love, laugh, grow something needed. You guys are absolutely the best.